Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to your Chapter 8 math test. The last couple of weeks, we were working on two-digit addition and subtraction. You may need a scratch piece of paper and a pencil, so go ahead and pause the video and grab that and push play when you have that at your seat. All right, now that you have some paper and pencil, there will be a couple of problems on here that you can pause the video, draw out your picture, and that will help you get your answer. All right. Other than that, parents and adult helpers, please let your kiddos do this on their own because this is a test. All right, boys and girls, let's look at number 1. All right, it just says add or subtract 4 plus 5. All right, number 2, 13 minus 8. Put your answer on the line. Number 3, 9 plus 6. All right, number 4, 16 minus 7. All right, number 5, 8 plus 2. Number 6, 12 minus 4. All right, number 7, it says use the tens to add and find the sum. So you can use your tens to count by tens to add up 30 plus 60. Remember, type your answer on the line at the bottom. Good. Number 8, same thing, except this time you're finding the sum to 7D plus 10. Good. Number 9, it says use the tens to subtract and find the difference. 80 minus 40. Write the total on the line at the bottom. Good. Number 10 is the same thing, so it's going to be 90 minus 30. Great job, boys and girls. All right, the next one we see a hundreds chart. Now, you can use this hundred chart to help you count on by ones or by tens. Remember, boys and girls, when you go right, you're counting by ones. When you go down, you're adding by tens, okay? So for the next few questions, if you need to scroll back up and look at this hundreds chart, you absolutely may. If I go too fast for you, just pause the video, find the answer, type in the answer in your problem, and then hit play to resume, okay? Number 11. What is 12 plus 80? I'll help you this first time. Put your finger on the 12 and count on by tens to 80. Good. Number 12, 64 plus 3. Number 13, 80 plus 5. Number 14, 38 plus 20. Number 15, 48 plus 7. Number 16, 51 plus 9. Great job, boys and girls. All right, now this is the one that you need your pencil and paper for, number 17. Let me read you the word problem, and then you can pause the video. And if you need to draw out the pictures and then add it up to get the answer, you just pause the video, draw it out. When you're ready to begin, type in your answer and then hit play again. Okay, the word problem says, Nathan reads 48 pages of his book on Monday. Belle reads 35 pages of her book on Monday. How many pages do they read? All right, boys and girls, so you're going to draw a picture of 48, draw a picture of 35, add those together, and tell me how many pages they read together. Make sure you type the answer on the line. Great job. Now, if you didn't have enough time, hit pause now, finish the problem, type the answer, and hit play again. All right, number 18. You're going to use the hundreds chart to add and subtract on by tens. All right, boys and girls, so remember when we add by tens, we go down the chart. When we subtract by tens, we go up the chart to the smaller numbers. There are 4 problems to this one problem. All right, so just mark the correct answer. The first one is 25 plus 50. The next one is 75 minus 50. Be very careful, boys and girls, that you're marking one answer per line and not accidentally putting 2 on the same line. All right, the next one is 59 plus 30. And the last one is 89 minus 30. Great job. All right, number 19. Type in the answer for 50 plus 30. Number 20, 5 minus 5. Number 21, 13 plus 4. And our last problem, 18 minus 9. Great job, boys and girls, on your Chapter 8 math test. If you need to go back and review any of those problems, do so now. When you are finished and happy with all of your answers, please hit the submit button at the bottom of the test, and then you can review what you missed. If you have any questions, contact your teacher. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.